In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the game speed in Cities Skylines 2. So let's jump straight into it. So in Cities Skylines 2, you can actually change the speed of the game to make the game go faster, and to do this, it's really easy to do. So what you want to do is go ahead and load up your map, and if you look in the bottom left hand corner next to the date, you will see 3 little arrows. Now what you can do is click onto these to increase or decrease the speed of the game. So you've actually got a slow speed, medium speed, and a super fast speed. Now what you can also do is use the numbers on your keyboard, so you can use number 1, 2 or 3 to also change your speed. So of course 1 is going to be the slowest speed, normal speed, 2 is going to speed it up to medium speed, and 3 is going to speed it up to the fast speed. So that is how to go ahead and change your game speed on Cities Skylines 2. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.